So yeah, for this one, I'm going to use a spade. There's two, well there's actually three there. So I'll get down the edge there. And you want to try and get as much as the roots as you can with them. So just don't give it, ease them up like so. Like that. This side doing the same. Yeah, that's good that, yeah. But then we have a good few here, so I'll move these over to the other side. So here we go, I've got 4 here, which I'm really pleased about. As you can see, each one has got a really nice root system. Actually got some grass from the border mixed in there. That's when we not much soil on. You want to try and keep as much soil on as possible. I'll still plant it. This one has a little bit of soil left with it, as you can see. Really fine root system there. Even have an aquilegia there, Easter bonnet, and these two at the end here have much more, wow, freezing today, much more roots left on them, as you can see there. There's a bit of grass mixed in with them there. What I'll do, I'll dig a hole on here. I'll plant this one on the top, just there. Nice bit of space. I'll get the biggest one here. What you want to do is dig out this soil, give it a really good backwards and forwards, break any lumps up, because you want this to be able to send down as good a roots as possible. As you mix it, then just to one side like so. And we'll put the biggest one in there first. We get the same level as the garden around it. A really good firm it in like so. And then you want to give these a really good soak, that even though it's damp already, give them a really good watering it. I'll get the others done. I'm going to plant them in a line just straight up there, if you can see. So I shall get these two done with the fork. There's lots of all of these. Yeah. Like I said, that one go in there really easily. Like so. And one here. These like partial sun, they don't mind some shade because they're really woodland plants, these foxgloves. A bit of shade is not a problem. And then the last one here. The last one just up top there. I've got a lot of peat in this garden. Like so. There's the last one in here. Spread it in. Let's have a look at this, shall we? Oh, that's out of breath now. Let's have a look at these. As you can see, these are now no longer near my lawn. With these here, and the primulas, this will look really well. Like I said, I'll give them really good water later on. Really good watering, and they should be fine now. Like I said, this gets the sun around probably after about 12 o'clock in the morning, afternoon. So yeah, these look really well. So that's, yeah, how to dig up and transplant your self-seeded foxgloves. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.